Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Wasinko Group has opened a new brewery and manufacturing facility at Lakes Pen in St. Catherine, expanding its production capacity and adding new lines for both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. The plant features 4 production lines and is the only facility in Jamaica that can produce carbonated soft drinks in cans. It is also equipped to manufacture beer, wine, rum mixes, and other ready-to-drink beverages. The facility was commissioned in June 2025, with brewed products officially launching in October. Chief Executive Officer Andrew Mafood says the investment marks a major step for the company.
This new facility represents a major step forward in our manufacturing capability. It brings new employment of 285 team members, 85 in direct production and approximately 200 in indirect, being sales, distribution, and marketing. And this investment was $35 million US for the facility that we're going to walk through today.
The site also houses a brewery with a capacity of 150,000 hectoliters per year, increasing Wasinko's production space from 125,000 square feet to more than 300,000. It also includes 6 product tanks, an 18-ton malt intake, a 6-vessel brew house, and a glass bottling line that can produce up to 1.4 million cases annually.
And most importantly, it positions Wasinko within the brewed categories: beer, stouts, and malt, ready-to-drink Worthy Park mixed rum-based beverages, and in the ginger wine category via our associate Select Brands and their ownership of the Stones brand, which is now made here at Lakes Pen for export and local consumption.
Wasinko, long known for its soft drink and bottled water lines, including its Coca-Cola franchise and Boom energy drink, is now adding several new beverages to its portfolio.
Wasinko now is extremely proud to have launched our Legend Beer, a name selected to represent all Jamaicans. Empower Malt, a non-alcoholic malt beverage, and Mamba Stout. Our team worked closely for 2 years, naming, tasting, designing, and tasting again and again, perfecting what we have come up with. And when you look at the designs and the packaging, you can see the effort that we've gone into it, and believe me, it tastes better than it looks.
Mafood also pointed to growth potential in the beer category. Jamaica consumes about 20 liters of beer per capita each year, compared to 70 liters in Latin America, 40 liters in Trinidad, and up to 70 liters in the United States and Canada.
This suggests that the brewed market in Jamaica has the potential to double or triple in size over the years to come. And Wasinko will be a part of growing the present market size and participate in the upside to come.
He was speaking at the official opening of its brewery and new manufacturing facility on Tuesday. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.